Welcome all. My name is Neil O'Connor. How many of you have seen me before? A couple of you? Great. Somehow I am teaching global supply chain management. It is by design because about 10 years ago I decided that I wanted to stay practical. What you're going to get in the next 12 weeks is you're just going to get authentic me, okay? I'm not making up anything. I'm going to teach you stuff that I have witnessed and experienced, not what I've read. Where do you come from? Hoover Hoverboards. Yes, we all love them. The US government banned them in 2016. Why did they ban the hoverboards? How do little factories survive? Part of this course, we're jumping ahead here, part of this course is to make you much more sensitive and maybe empathetic, but being empathetic makes you a much better negotiator of suppliers. The challenges in 2018. How many of these challenges are today? Globalization, is that a challenge? So for 60 seconds in your group, I want you, out of that list, pick out the top 3 that you think is relevant. Challenges in 2019. Go, it's 55, 54. 10 seconds, 5, 4. Okay, we want 3 from every table. Okay, top 3. Don't overthink this, all right? Don't overthink. Supply chain management is very, very operational, okay? One more student comes in, you need another chair. Tough information, and that's why it's very important. Part of this course is that I introduce to you some frameworks. Right. Why do we have frameworks? Why do we have a framework like this? What does this framework help you do? I need to introduce to you the 3-circle control framework, which remember I told you that really, really applies to the solopreneur, the small buyers, the Amazon power sellers. And when I talk at Global Sources, we focus on these 3 areas. 48 hours ago, I shocked you all by giving you a deadline, say, submit a proposal. So why would I do that? Number one, I just want to make you uncomfortable. And it's easier to make you uncomfortable in the 3rd week rather than in the 10th or 11th week. Okay. So you need to have a close look at who is in your group, and are you happy that other people are in your group? Look around your table, don't look at me, I'm not in your group. All right, you've got 1 minute to write down 3 reasons why this company moved its factory. 1 minute. Go. 30 seconds. Come on, 3 reasons. Why would they move their factory? 3 reasons. This is it. This is the factory. It's a real factory. I found it. Yes, they moved from China to Thailand. So why did this factory move? This is it. Lifetrons. I'm not here to give you theories all the time. We've got to look at real stuff. All right? That's what they make. That's what they make. So 3 things. What have we got? Labour cost ownership. What else? Yell it out, come on. This is Under Armour in this class. But the owner of Under Armour saw that manufacturing technology and said, wow, if you can do it for women's undergarments, maybe let's do that same technology for shoes. Wow. And so to understand the manufacturing process, and now that manufacturing process is used for a lot of the footwear brands around the world. Adidas, Nike, Puma, but Under Armour was one of the first. What is that process? It is a process where they make shoes without any stitching. Where the the upper, like this one here, your shoe. Can we take it off? No, it's all right. All right. Tall one. All right. So the upper, there's no stitching at all.